Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. It's a rainy old, miserable old day down the site, so I'm just going to do a quick video here which will help a lot of people out. It's basically reversing into space. So it's not like a caravan or a motorhome, they react in a different way. So what we're going to do, Ashley's now going to drive around and we're going to pull up over here and we're going to reverse into that spot there. So he's just going around the block, as you see. So this would be a scenario like you were going on maybe a campsite or something like that. So you pick your spot and then off you go, you come round. Now this is all about being sensible. So if you get on a campsite, you'll bring your truck and get it in position. Now we always advise never to try and reverse on the blind side. Now the blind side, meaning say here, the passenger side, that's the blind side. So Ashley's going to reverse on the side that he can see. So you can see, you just sort of sussed out where he's going to go. And then what he's going to do, let's remember just hold him up here because he's a bit quick. Hold on a second. Right, hold on a second, Ashley. Well, we're just showing the folks around the van, the truck. There we go. There's the truck and that's where he's going to go in. Right, so what we're going to do now is Ashley's going to reverse into the hole on the side that you can see, and we've got Karen over here doing the directions, which is so much easier if your wife, partner, whatever, get out of the van, come out of the van and actually direct you in, you see, because all the reversing cameras in the world are not going to see what you can see with your eye. So Karen's reversing him back. Now what she's got is her phone, which is a real useful thing to have, and then Ashley can have it on his hands free in the cab. So Karen is now, she should be, I think she's a bit camera shy here, so she should. Karen, are you talking to the phone and telling Ashley what to do? So Karen's on the phone, she's a little actress today, so that's it. So back him up a bit more. And then you can see, so if this was a caravan scenario, you'd actually get it in a little bit closer. So are you using your phone, Karen?
Yes.
Yeah, under duress. So that's it. So she can wave him back. Now the idea is Karen can stand there and see Ashley in the mirror. So as long as your partner can see you in the mirror, and you use your phones, reversing into these tight spots is quite easy. There you are. Thank you, Karen. There you go, folks, reversing made easy. So we've got it nicely in that spot there, in one go. All right, we've had a bit of practice and we can do this, but if you follow them simple steps with your partner, jump out on the mobile phone, hands-free, all this sort of stuff, it'll work out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're getting on really well with the old subscriptions. If you got to the end of the video, big thumbs up from CCRV. See you again soon.